In this video, you will learn 5011 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. British nobleman, ranking above viscount and below a marquis. So in this picture, we can see a British nobleman and the word is earl. Let's go on to the next one. Break off a meeting, legal case or game with the intention of resuming it later. So in this picture, we can see people getting up and leaving as if something has been stopped. So the word is adjourn. Let's go on to the next one. Throw with force starts with H. In this picture, we can see an athlete throwing a shot put and the word is hurl. Let's go on to the next one. Hang loosely starts with D. In this picture, we can see a pair of shoes hanging on a rope by their laces and they're hanging loosely. So the word is dangle. Let's go on to the next one. Delay starts with P. So in this picture, we can see people waiting as if something has been delayed. And the word is postpone. Let's go on to the next one. Arrange clothing loosely on or around something. So in this picture, we can see a woman wearing a loose clothing around her shoulders, and the word is drape. Let's go on to the next one. Book in stiff covers starts with H. In this picture, on the left hand side, we see a book that is obviously in stiff covers. So the word is hardback. Let's go on to the next one. Small area without trees in forest. So at the front of the forest, we see no trees, but at the back, we see trees. So the word is glade. So the bit at the front is called a glade. Let's go on to the next one. Feel sympathy starts with C. In this picture, we can see two people hugging and giving each other sympathy. So the word is commiserate. The next definition is exploit, prey on, starts with V. In this picture, we can see a person sitting on someone else and they have a whole lot of cash in their hand as if they're preying on and exploiting the other person. So they are victimize. So well done for learning your first 10 vocabulary. Now we're going to go on to our first 20 now. This is the 11th one. In this picture, we can see a person holding a hand on their head as if something has gone wrong. This means the word is resentful. Let's go on to the next one. Careful not to harm others starts with C. In this picture, we can see a soldier giving this woman a gift. So the word is considerate. Leave quickly, seal shut, starts with B. In this picture, on the left hand side, we can see a boy running really fast, but on the right hand side, it's a kind of tool. You guys will probably guess the word by looking at it. And the word is bolt. Let's go on to the next one. Heavenly delicate starts with E. In this picture, we can see two pictures. So one on the right is a very delicate flower, and one on the left is a heavenly picture, and it's very beautiful. So the word is going to be ethereal. Let's go on to the next one. Extremely unpleasant starts with V. So in this picture, we can see someone about to step on mud or poo, which suggests it is pretty unpleasant. So the word is vile. Let's go on to the next one. Strong winds starts with B. In this picture, we can see strong winds and the plants and the trees, they're definitely moving. So the word is blustery. Whirlwind starts with T. So in this picture, we can see a whirlwind and a storm, and there are lots of wind in this storm. So the word is tornado. Let's go on to the next one. Flying, operating of aircraft starts with A. In this picture, we can see an aircraft and we can see a pilot in the cockpit on the right hand side. So this means the word is going to be aviation. Let's go on to the next one. Who decides how a dancer would move starts with C. In this picture, we can see a group of dancers. So the word must be choreographer. Let's go on to the next one. Persistently avoid, ignore, or reject through antipathy or caution. So in this picture, you're obviously going to ignore and avoid smoking as much as you can with caution. So this means the word must be shun. So well done, guys, for learning your first 20 vocabulary right. Now we're going to carry on with the 30 vocabulary now. Let's get started. So this is the 21st. A large beer or wine cask. In this picture, we can see dozens of barrels of beer and wine in them. This means the word is ton. Let's go on to the next one. Great pleasure, pickle, and appetizing flavor. In this picture, we can see on the left hand side the person having great pleasure because they're obviously in the beach and they're relaxing. One in the middle is a pickle, and one on the right hand side is a food with appetizing flavor. So the word is relish. Let's go on to the next one. Taste good food or drink and enjoy to the full. The food they're having is obviously an ice cream, which is definitely a good food, and they're enjoying to the full, as you guys could see by their smiles. So the word is savor. So the next definition is gently calm a person or their feelings. In this picture, we can see person G calming down person J. So the word is soothe. Let's go on to the next one. Destructive waves of highly compressed air spreading outwards starts with B. So in this picture, after an explosion, we can see smoke, fire, other dust, and air. They're all spreading outwards. So the word is blast. Let's go on to the next one. No longer needed starts with R. So in this picture, we can see that services that are no longer needed. So the word is redundant. Let's go on to the next one. More than enough starts with S. In this picture, it says more than enough. So the word is superfluous. Harmful act, intentional, starts with W. In this picture, we can see an evil man with an evil look on his face and a cheeky grin, and he's holding his hand in a mischievous way as if he's going to do something wrong on purpose. So the word is willful. The next word is energetically willful and determined, starts with H. In this picture, we can see a man playing snooker or pool, and he's determined to win it, as you guys could see by his face. So the word is headstrong. So he's headstrong. Let's go on to the next one. A man who herds and tends cattle starts with C, as you guys could probably guess by the picture and probably guess by the hat. The word is obviously cowboy. So well done for learning your first 30 vocabulary right. Now we only have 20 more to go. So let's get started. Optical illusion starts with M. In this picture, we can see as if there is water on the road, even though there's no actually water in the road. It's just the sunlight creating some illusion. So the word is mirage. So that's just mirage in the road. Deceptive appearance starts with I. So in this picture, it makes your eyes go funny, so it has a deceptive appearance. So the word is illusion. Let's go on to the next one. Protect and care for someone lovingly and starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone feeding this pigeon, so they're obviously carrying and protecting it lovingly. So the word is cherish. So they're cherishing the pigeon. Let's go on to the next one. Dearly loved starts with B. So in this picture, we can see a couple, so they're dearly loving each other. So the word is beloved. Let's go on to the next one. Usual starts with N, ends with M. So in this picture, it says as usual. So the word is norm. The next definition is tease starts with T. In this picture, we can see a girl looking really sad, but these other two girls on the left hand side, they're back chatting and they're talking bad things about her behind her back. So the word is tantalize. Let's go on to the next one. Make less sensitive starts with D. In this picture, it says less sensitive. So the word is desensitize. Let's go on to the next one. Make a person's hair or clothes untidy starts with D. In this picture, you can see a person's hair being messy. So the word is dishevel. The next definition is brush and clean starts with G. In this picture, we can see someone brushing and cleaning this dog. So the word is groom. So they're grooming this dog. Let's go on to the next one. Change, the structure starts with R, and the word is remodel. As you guys could see, this kitchen looks very modern. Rebook or reprimand severely starts with C. In this picture, we can see a mum telling off a child for something he has done wrong. So the word is chastise. Let's go on to the next one. Praise starts with C. In this picture, we can see a person giving this other person an award. So they're obviously praising them, and the word is commend. The next definition is prove to be right, starts with V. In this picture, we can see a woman and she looks like she is right. So the word is vindicate. So let's go on to the next one. Not important starts with I. So in this picture, it says not important. So the word is inconsequential. Let's go on to the next slide. More important starts with P. So in this picture, it says more important. So the word must be paramount. Next definition is relating to evil spirits, starts with D. In this picture, we can see an evil spirit. So the word is demonic. Let's go on to the next one. Wicked, evil starts with H. In this picture, we can see a devil-like figure. So the word is highness. Let's go on to the next word, which is going to be tight, firm, starts with T. In this picture, we can see a tight lead on the dog's nose, as if it might bite someone. So the word is tenacious. Let's go on to the next one. Insect, which attacks plants, starts with P. In this picture, we can see an insect that's attacking a plant. So the word is pest. Lock starts with F. So this is our final vocabulary. So well done for going on this far. So this is our final one. Lock starts with F, and the word is fasten. So that's the 50 vocabularies done, guys. Now to learn more on 11 plus vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.